All right, hey guys, so in this video we're gonna be talking about me buying my dream car before the age of 20, sight unseen. And so enjoy the video. It is not necessarily, actually it's 100% accurate. Yeah, somebody deleted the footage, so enjoy this instead. Thanks guys. I should buy an Evo today. Yeah, Evo. Evo seemed like a good car. Let's do that. It's no it's not. Yeah, maybe not an Evo, but turbo noises. Ooh, turbo noises. Yeah, Evo. Evo as a daily driver. Let's do that. Let's see what's on the market. Evo X. Ooh, big wing, I like that. Oh wow, what is this one? Yeah, I like this. Rated over 450 horsepower. That sounds good. Let's do that. Let's give this guy a call.
Damn, another one of these freaking scam lines. Yeah, hello.
Hey, yeah, I was just calling to see if your 2008 Evo was still for sale.
Oh, you're calling about the Evo? Yeah, man, I got a guy coming in like 2 hours, but if you can be there before then, it's all yours.
Okay, great. Yeah, the guy coming in 2 hours, I can be there in 2 days?
2 days? I guess the guy today might flake. If he does, like, if you got cash, it's all yours, man, because cash is preferred, you know?
Okay, that sounds great. I'll meet you then. What time works for you? Okay, fantastic. And yeah, I have a few questions about the car, if you don't mind.
Oh, you want to ask some questions about it? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so what's the mileage like on it?
Oh, the mileage? It's like super low, dude. Like 80,000 all highway. I baby the car, dude. It's like my baby.
Okay, and you said it was rated for over like 450 horsepower, is that correct?
Oh yeah, I did put 450 in the ad, but I'm actually looking at the sheets right now. It says like 475 on the sheets, but my butt dyno's telling me like 750, 800. I used to be a mechanic for a couple years. I've been in some pretty high horsepower stuff.
Oh wow, so it's actually more, okay. Has it been in any wrecks?
Yeah, no wrecks. I pretty much take care of the car. Like, you know, it's my baby. Take the car shows every Sunday, you know, give it a wash, a wax, you know. No accidents, clean title.
Clean title? Okay, cool. Awesome. Well, yeah, man, I'd love to come take a look at it. Yeah, let me talk to my friends and see if I can get a ride up there, but I'll keep in touch.
All right, see you in a couple days, dude.
Thanks, man. Oh, shoot, I gotta call the boys.
What does this guy want? Yo, what up?
So I'm thinking about buying an Evo. You wanna come?
Oh, you're thinking about an Evo? Yeah, sorry, man. I'm like busy all week. Bye.
Oh, okay, man. No worries. You're good. All right, bye. All right, I know who can come. Tony.
Yo, what's up?
Thinking about buying an Evo. You want to come?
An Evo? Yeah, dude. I'm working right now.
Oh, you're at work right now?
Yeah, no, I'm in for a good bit longer. Yeah, oh, my boss called me. Gotta go.
Evo. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Dang, I need some better friends.
Let's look it on the gram. Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, man.
All right, bring it in.
Yes, sir.
So, this is her.
Gotcha.
2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10.
Wow, okay.
GSR edition. So
Gotcha.
we got 5-speed manual.
Okay.
Recaro racing seats and the Brembo brakes.
Yes,
adding
sir.
15 horsepower per wheel.
I read somewhere that it was like 25 horsepower somewhere, right?
I'm just going off what the box says. Some
Okay.
people probably say 25, some say 15.
Okay, but that's per wheel, right?
Yeah, it's per wheel.
Wow, so that's pretty much close to 100 horsepower. Wow.
Yeah, that plus my bolt-ons, you know.
Yeah. So what else have you done to the car?
So as you see, sponsored by ETS Tuning,
Awesome.
obviously.
That's awesome.
Full bolt-ons, built bottom end, you know. we're talking probably, butt down is telling me about 900 horsepower.
900 horsepower,
900.
really?
It's scary. So what's your experience with high horsepower cars?
Pretty much none. I've
none?
owned a bagged Mustang, but besides that, I mean, that was a stance car, so nothing really high horsepower.
Interesting, interesting. Well, this is definitely a good foray into them.
Gotcha.
Got any other questions about it?
Yeah, like what's the mileage like? I know you mentioned it was mostly highway miles, but
So I work about 100 miles away. I have to
Okay.
go down 400 every day. So, you know, I got 80,000 miles. I bought the car and it's brand new. So it's pretty much all been highway.
Okay.
Other than that, you know, I take good care of her. I got a garage. She's garage capped. I just brought her out today to show you.
okay.
Other than that, not much. I just, you know, it's my baby. Glad to pass her on to someone else.
Gotcha, gotcha. Is this tent legal?
I don't know, dude. I just told him to block my shit out.
That works.
Other than that, not much has been done to it. Like I said, built bottom end, full bolt-on.
Wow.
She's been nothing but reliable. Haven't had a single issue with her. Has never been in the shop once.
Wow, okay. That's really good because I know Evos are not, you know, really meant for the most reliable cars.
Yeah, no, I had a buddy once. He had one just like this, but it was in the shop for 2 months after he bought it. So, but I mean,
Oof.
if that's it, let's just take it on a test drive. I mean, I'll take her up first,
Okay,
show you the power.
all right.
Then I'll let you do a couple, you know, reel it out, get a feel for it. If you still want to buy it, then we can talk money.
All right, let's do it.
So yeah, let's get it. Don't worry
Let's do it, man. Yeah, just let's not worry about that.
All right, man. So I'm just going to take her out. You seem like a chill dude. Just take her easy, and I think get a feel for her.
Awesome, let's do it. This clutch is something else, man.
Yeah, you know, you have to have it to hold all the power.
Okay, I got you. Let's roll this one
So just boost comes on hard. Just take her easy.
though. Okay.
Yeah. So what do you
Wow,
think?
She pulls.
Oh yeah,
Hard.
all the right noises too.
Oh yeah. I like it. I like
Yep,
it.
suspension's completely sorted. Like I said, I daily her.
Yeah. Do you have any aftermarket suspension on this thing?
Yeah, I got some lowering springs. You know,
Okay. Okay.
stock shocks. You know, just want a good stance on it. You know, support the power I'm running.
Yeah. Yeah. I got you. That's
Mitsubishi. You know,
quality stuff.
you're paying for the drivetrain, not the car.
That's fair.
Oh yeah.
Try to open her up a little bit up here. Maybe.
Yeah, give her a good dog and she'll go.
Okay.
Whoa, dude! Like I said, she goes.
Wow.
Didn't
Wow.
expect that.
Yeah. Sorry, man. The power really comes on quick.
Yeah, it always feels faster in the passenger seat anyways.
Dang. So how many pounds of boost is it running?
45.
45. Wow.
Yeah, it comes on harsh.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, really putting that turbo through its paces.
That's awesome. Yeah, man. I think this is the one.
Think so?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get back to the house and talk money.
Sounds good. All right, man. I loved it. Let's talk pricing.
Right now, I'm asking 29 for her. I feel like that's pretty fair. What do you think you can work on me with?
Dang, man. 29 is really steep. I'm thinking more like 15.
Well, you know, being honest, you seem like a cool guy.
Thanks.
Thanks about to foreclose on my house. If you can do 18, she's all yours.
18. You have a deal, man.
Thank you so
You
much.
have a deal.
Title's yours.
Thank you, sir.
You stay safe
Awesome.
now.
Will do. Thanks, man. Bring it in again. Thank
Proud
you.
Evo owner.
Thanks, man. Y'all take care.
Thank you. You too, man. Hey, drive her good.
Will do. Hey man, yeah, was there any warranty on that? I'm kind of stranded on the side of the road right now.
No.
Oh, and he hung up. Cool, well that's that.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Obviously, that video was blown way out of proportion. The guy we bought it from in South Carolina was actually really cool. He worked with me on the price. He actually did give me a warranty, so that's great for him. Thank you. Go check him out. It's in South Carolina. It's Palomino Motors. They got a really good selection of cars, actually. They're mainly focused in the German market. They got some really cool stuff, so go check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all stay original out there.